So, state your name and who you work for,
Tim Starr, I work with Intertech.
and what are you speaking on today?
I'm going to give a talk on the introduction to Windows Azure.
Okay. So, what is the appeal to Azure? What do you hope that people will get out of your talk and see if they've never seen Azure before?
I've been working with Azure for several months now, and I was just blown away how easy it was to provision and get a website, for example, up and running in the cloud.
Okay. Okay. Is there, and I mean, I've just not had time to spend with Azure. Can you do stuff like the elastic computing? Can you actually like host code on Azure to like do these incredibly complex biological calculations for genomes and stuff like that? Could you do that with Azure?
Yeah, actually 3M does that with an imaging system.
Ah, yes, that one. So I have a friend of mine that was working on that. So I didn't. But so were you involved with that too, or did you just hear
No,
about that? Yeah.
I helped run the Azure boot camp here in
Okay.
May, and 3M came in one of the days and talked for about a half.
Okay. Okay. So what are some of the models or structures that you can do in Azure in terms of like if I'm looking at using it, what am I looking at in terms of like cost and usage and stuff like that?
All over the board on,
Yeah.
on cost. You can use it for anything from the simplest website. There's various different storage techniques, so your only option isn't to use a SQL Azure database. There's also just table storage, which is the NoSQL type storage.
Oh, okay.
Queues available, blob storage available, so you can do just about anything out there right now.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thanks, Tim.
Yeah, sure.